Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase your Windows 11 security with some simple and effective steps. Let's get started. First, let's make sure Windows security is enabled. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. Here, click on Open Windows Security. Ensure that all protection areas like virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, and others are turned on. If any are off, you will see a Turn On button for each of them. Simply click on them. Next, let's set up Windows Hello for added security. Go back to Settings. Then click on Accounts. Click on Sign In Options. Here, you can set up facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN, and others. Choose the option that works best for you and follow the prompts to set it up. Using a local account instead of a Microsoft account can also improve security. Go back to Accounts in Settings, then click on Your Info. Here, click Stop signing in to all Microsoft apps automatically. To protect your files, enable BitLocker encryption. Go to the Start menu, type in BitLocker, and select Manage BitLocker. In the BitLocker settings, click Turn on BitLocker next to your drive. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Keeping your system updated is crucial for security. In your settings, go to Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and make sure your system is up to date. Install any available updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you can significantly increase the security of your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.